I'd like to welcome all you to the International Player Haters Ball. Oh man, hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, now entering the stadium, the band that's so bad, the other band decided not to come. It's the Summa Cum Laude Band, the #1 band in the land. Tiger fans, get on your feet and show some love for the Jackson State University Sonic Boom of the South. Tiger fans, get those pom-poms in the air!
Y'all out y'all damn mind. y'all out y'all damn mind. Man, y'all out y'all damn mind. Big attitude ass band. Yeah, you heard everything I said. Shut your ass up. Sit on the bench and be quiet. Band can't help you today.